learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And Leo's here, so we're going to get wise again and teach you another great proverb to learn Hakka vocabulary and the philosophy of life. 人生大道理单元到了，对，就是我们的谚语时间啦。
对了，就要每次都要教大家一句谚语，让大家长知识。
没错。
那这礼拜要教大家的谚语就叫做“人群体现报”。
人群体现报，
人懒体现臭，
人懒体现臭。OK， 很多人，请问这个道理是什么呢？
这个道理就是你只要勤劳的耕种，地就会长出宝贝。
哦，这是第一段，所以它国语的话是
人勤地献宝。
哦，人很勤劳，地就会献一个宝给你。
对。
Oh, okay. So the first part of this proverb, which is something kind of cliche, but it really is very important in life. If you work hard, the land will give you a treasure. Okay, makes sense. 那后面一定是反过来的意思。
是的，同理可证。
所以一定是
第二句就是
人懒。
对，懒惰的时候呢，怎么办呢？
会怎样？
地就给你长草了，他就给你草。
也对了哈。
对，
以前在美国如果是隔壁家比较懒，他的后院真的都是草，杂草一大堆。
对，杂草长得多的时候呢，里面就会有小动物。搞不好不只是小动物。
I like the second part of the analogy here is, and if a person gets lazy, the land is going to give you a lot of grass and weed. 就是会很乱七八糟的草给你，没有价值的草给你了，对不对？很好的一个谚语哦。Now let's hear this explanation in English.
People who work hard reap harvest, but lazy people are often given grass. This Hakka saying means that if you don't work hard, you won't be rewarded. The same goes for a farmer. If the farmer works the land, it will bear sweet fruit. But if he ignores his fields, they'll be overgrown with grass. Many Hakka children grow up learning this phrase so that they know there's no such thing as a free lunch or ride in life. You have to work hard to get what you want. In other words, no pain, no gain.
And Leo, let's repeat that proverb again.
人群体现报，
人群体现报，
人懒体现臭，
人懒体现臭。Again, another lesson in life. Be hardworking, don't be lazy, and get rid of all the grass in your life. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.